Inhabit rehabs houses in the central city of Milwaukee and moves Christian leaders to the neighborhood to live and serve. We invest in the places many people have abandoned. Where others see hopelessness, we see hope. Where others see decay, we see life. Because our city is beautiful. Can you see it? Our city is strong. Can you feel it? Inhabit buys foreclosed properties in the city and turns them into places where neighbors gather and gardens are planted. Places where children play and learn about the love of Jesus. Inhabit and Waterstone Bank both believe in investing in neighborhoods. One block at a time, one person at a time, one relationship at a time. Because God is doing something, and it is small like a mustard seed, but you can be a part of it too. See how at inhabitmilwaukee.org.